Hello and welcome to Smart Quiz Builder. My name is Veena Prashant. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Facebook share and a Twitter share button on your outcome page. So when users click on it, they can share their quiz results on Facebook or on Twitter. So let me show you how you can set this up. So first thing you need to do is go to SQB settings page, and here under Facebook settings tab, enter your Facebook API key. And if you don't have one, you'll have to create one for your domain. And you just have to create it once for the domain. All right, so let's go ahead and create one. Let me show you how to create it. So log into your Facebook account and go to developers.facebook.com, and there click on Create App. Here select Build Connected Experiences, Continue. So here two things you have to do. Give your app a name, give it any name you want. An app contact email, enter your email address here and create app. All right, so it will bring you here, click on settings, select basic. So here enter your domain name, contact email, make sure it's filled out, and privacy policy and terms of service, make sure you enter a valid URL here. Now user data deletion, this is required for GDPR compliance. So make sure that you enter a URL that's valid so users can contact you if they want their account to be deleted. You can enter the URL of your contact us page here and choose a category. So here I'm going to select business. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So go ahead and save it. On the same page, see here it says add platform. Click on it, select website, and it shows you this section right here that says website. Enter your site URL and then go ahead and save it. So you can switch it to live, switch mode. That's it. Your app is live now. Now you can copy the app ID from here and enter it in SQB settings page. So I'm going to enter the app ID here, save. That's it. All right, so next step is to go to the social share tab right here. And now you can set things up here. So here it says select a quiz. And so here I'm going to select this quiz. Enter share title. So what is it that you want them to share? So you can see this example here to see exactly what's going to appear where. So quiz title goes here and the outcome result message goes here. Your domain name goes here. Share text goes here. So whatever you enter here will be displayed here. All right. So let's go ahead and enter a share title. And then show share button is turned on. And if you do not want to display it anymore, you can just switch it off instead of deleting it. You can just deactivate it. So it's active right now. And then enter outcome result for Facebook. So do you want to allow users to share their results on Facebook? So when users click on the share button, they can share their results. So if they get a specific personality type, for example, they can share it and they can say, I got this. You can see here, this is where it goes. Outcome result message goes here. So here I'm just going to add this text and then we can test it, see how it looks, and then we can update this. All right. Enter outcome message for Twitter. I'm going to enter the same thing for Twitter and Facebook. Upload image that you want users to share. So this is the image. Enter URL of the page that should be shared. What exactly are they sharing? So I want users to land on the page where I have my opt-in form for the free course that they are sharing, right? So I want them to share a link to my opt-in page for this course. So this is the page I want users to share because this is where I have my free course and I have the opt-in form on this page. So when people see the shared content in their feed and they click on it, this is where I want them to land back on. So here under customize share section, you can click and edit. You can change the font, style, text, and this is how it will look. And these will be the buttons that will be displayed in the front end. All right. And then go ahead and save it. That's it. Save is complete. All right. So now let's go ahead and test it. So this is my opt-in page for my course. Let's build an online course. And here I have a quiz. This is actually a lead magnet quiz. Users answer a few questions and then they can opt in to see the result. I'm just going to select some random answers here. I'm going to opt in. All right, so this is the outcome screen. And you can see here towards the bottom of the screen, there is a Facebook share and a Twitter share button. I'm going to click on Facebook button here. And you can see here, this image is coming from whatever image you set in the back end. And it says, I got implementation. Let's build an online course. So this is the result. This is the outcome type. So you can set different outcome types and whatever type you set, it's going to show up here. And you can change this text. Everything is customizable. So when users share this and someone finds it in their feed, they click on it I want them to land back on the main opt-in page so they can opt in and the cycle will continue like that. So this is how it works. All you have to do is in the back end, you can activate the setting and it will automatically show up on the outcome screen. And when users click on it, they can share their results on social. If someone finds it in their feed, they click on it. Where they land back on, you can control that in the backend setting. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.